doing practice for class 3 Olympiad. The topic is numbers. The digit dash has the greatest place value in 2364. Well, you might be thinking it is 6 because it is the biggest number here. But no, place value. It's actually, you can write it in expanded form, then you'll see. This is actually 2000. This 2 stands for 2000. This 3 stands for 300. This 6 stands for 60. And this 4 stands for 4. Now you can compare even 6 with 2300. 60 with 2300. Of course, 2300 are bigger. Well, now let's compare 2300. Well, 2000 of course is bigger. So, 2 has the greatest place value in 2364. Great job. The different place values of the 2 6 in the number of 6603 is, so there are 2 place values which of 6 where 6060 there are. So there are 2 digits, but they don't have the same place value, 6000 and 60. Those two, so we have to just find the difference. That means subtract them both. So 6000 minus 6. 6000 minus 6 is equal to minus 6. 6000 minus 6 is equal to 6000 minus 60, which is 5040. So, because the place value of 6 over here is 6000 and the place value of 6 over here is 60, so 6000 minus 60, which is 5040. Oopsies. Yeah. Oh, we forgot to write the hundreds place. What is the rule for this input-output table? So this is input means the numbers and the output means the new numbers. So let's find out. I think it is subtract 38. Let's check. So 108 minus 38 is 70 because 108 minus 8 is 100 minus 30, which is 70. Now 445 minus 38. Now let's just say 35 and minus 3 at the end. So now if you minus 35, it will be and add 3. Wait, let's just do, So 38 minus 445. So 445 minus 30 is going to be 415. 415 minus 8, which is 407. Now 596 minus 38. So 596 minus 30 is equals to 566 minus 8, which is equal to 558. Now 288 minus 38. Now 288 minus 38. Let's minus the 8 from 288. Now it will be 80. So 80 minus 280 minus 30, which is 250. So subtract 38. You're the greatest. Find the successor of the largest three-digit number. So the successor will be, that means one number just after it, of the largest three-digit number. The largest three-digit number is 999. So the successor will be, so 999 plus 1, 1000, which is known as the smallest four-digit number. Awesome! 4444 equals 4000 plus dash plus 4. The missing number is, well, the missing number is supposed to be the expanded form. Now 4000 plus 4 is 4004. Now what if you added 440? Now 4000 plus 400 and 40, so 4444. So 440. Excellent. The number just after the smallest four-digit number is, so the smallest four-digit number is 1000. The number just after it, 1000 plus 1, 1001. Bravo! The predecessor of the smallest four-digit number is, the smallest four-digit number is 1000 and the predecessor is the number just before it. So 1000 minus 1, 999. Terrific. The number that matches the given clue is 0 ones, 2 tens, 6 10,000. Wait, let's write them. 6 10,000, 7,000, 500, 2 tens and 0 ones. So this actually means 6 10,000. Maybe you can just assume as 60,000 if you don't know what is 10,000. 7,000. This 7 stands for 7,000. This 6 stands for 6 10,000. Otherwise 60,000 you can just say. 5, it stands for 500. Otherwise 50 tens. And this 2 stands for 2 tens. Otherwise you can say 20 ones. And this 0 stands for 0 ones. Or you can just say nothing. So let's see. Super duper. Bala picked 21 flowers. He wanted to make 8 garlands having the same number of flowers. He should pick how many more flowers so he does have no extra flowers left with him. So let's see any number which is close to 21 in 8's table. 24. 8 into 3. So he needs to pick 24 minus 21, which is equal to 3. So he has to pick 3 more flowers, so he does not have any extra flower left with him. Magnificent. The predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number is, predecessor means the number just before the number. So it will be 1 minus from the smallest 4-digit number, which is 1000. So 1000 minus 1, 999. Way to go! Arrange the sequence in ascending order. What is the sum of the last and the middle digit? So first let's find out how we can arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So let's arrange it. So I think the smallest over here is 1. And the next one looks like 3, and then the other 3. Then the 5 and the 5, and then the 6 and the 6, and then the 9 and the 9. So it looks like 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6, 9, 9. So let's find out the middle digit. So let's count up the numbers. If it's an odd number, the middle digit, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The middle digit is the number which has the same amount of number from its left and right. So I think the 5 is the middle digit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so the 5 is the middle digit. It's the 5th number. So, and the sum of the last and middle digit. So 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Super. The digit 7 is in the thousands place. The 2 has 20 as its place value. So 9 is in the ones place. The number name formed by the using information is. So we can see 1000 is the biggest over here. So 7 will go up first, which is standing for 7000. Next is 2 because it has 20 as its place. And last is 9. Wait a second. It said 1000 and we're only the 3 digits. Wait a second. We're missing one place value, which is 100. But they didn't give any information about the hundreds place. So let's just write 0 over there. Great.
The number name they are asking. We wrote the number.
They're asking for the number name. How many odd numbers are there between 69 and 190? Okay, let's see. So the odd numbers between 69 and 119. So alright. So how many odd numbers are there between 69 and 119? So let's find out.
So just subtract 119 from 69. Hmm. 119 minus 69.
Which is equal to 50.
And divided by, I think, subtract 2 from the answer and then divide by 2. Let's try.
Subtract 2 from 50, 48. Divide the answer by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is equal to let's see, 48 divided by 2, the answer is 24. So let's see if the answer is 24. You've got it. The successor of 814 plus 6,472 is. So we have to add these numbers. Now the successor is just one number from it. The number that we got is 7,286. So now we just add one number to it. Great! Magnificent! This 9 is in the thousand place. The digit 4 has 40 as its place value. 6 is in the ones place. The number name formed by the given information is So 9 is the biggest. 9,000 4 and then 6. Wait, we're missing one place value, 100. Let's label it as 0. Oh no, we forgot. We have to write it in numbers. We should write it in words. So 9,000 400 4 9,400 4 tens 40 and then 6, so 46. And let's delete this 946. 9,406. And let's see. Wow! Which of the following is different from the others? Candle factory makes 9 packs of candies every day. Each pack of candy contains 7 pieces of candy. The factory makes how many candies in 3 days? So let's find out first how many candies they make in one day. Then we can multiply it by 3. The candies they make in one day is 9 into 7, which is 9 into 7 is equal to 63 into 3. So let's do it. 189. Now don't forget to recheck. 9 into 7 is 63. Now 63 into 3. Let's recheck. You can do this in column method. So first we'll do 3 into 3, which is 9. Now 3 into 6, which is 18. We totally got it correct. 189. Super job! The value of C is, well, let's see. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So 4 goes down. 5 goes down and 4 goes up. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. 2 goes down, 2 goes up. So the value of 9 is, the value of C is 8. Now let's recheck. So if the value of C is 8, it will be 825 into 9. So let's do it. So 5 into 9 will be 45. 5 will go down, 4 will go up. 2 into 9 will be 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 2 will go down, 2 will go up. 9 into 8 is 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. So 7425. Great. The value of C is 8. The smallest 4-digit number formed by using the digits 7, 0, 3 and 6, where each digit can be used only once is so the smallest 4-digit number, well, you can't put 0 at the first because then it'll be a 3-digit number when they want a 4-digit number. So we'll put 0 at the second. So what is the second smallest number? Here. 3. Then 0. Then next looks like 6. And let's go with 7. So So 3067. 3067. You should say and after 100. Remarkable. Bala brought 9 packets of erasers. How many erasers are in each packet? If he had total 72 erasers. Now, in total he has 72 erasers. So we have to divide 72 and 9. 72 with 9. 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. Excellent. What is the sum of the place value and the face value of 8 in 2578? So the place value of 8 is 80 and plus 8. So 88. Oh, 8 plus 8, 16. You're sharp. Divide the place value of 4. Divide the place value of 4 by the successor of 9. The successor of 9 is 10 divided by the place value of 4 over here, 40. So 40 divided by 10. 10 divided by 40, 4. You rock. What is the rule for this input-output table? Now let's see. It's addition of 39. Let's see. So 270 plus 39. 270 plus 30 is 300 plus, oops, sorry, I mean addition of 38. So 2000 plus 30 is 300 plus 8, 308. Now 78 plus 38. Well, let's add 78 plus 30. 108. 108 plus 108, 160. Now 595 plus 38. Well, we can minus 5 from 38, which is 33. So 633. And 115 plus 30 is. So 115 plus 30 is equal to 145. And 145 plus 5, 150, 153. If the digit 0 is repeated 3 times, how many 4-digit numbers can you form by using the digits 7 and the 0? Only one, which is 7,000. If you put 0 at the front, then it will always be a 3-digit number or 2-digit number or 1-digit number. But they want a 4-digit number. There are how many even numbers between 41 and 160? So, an easy way, let's do 116 minus 41. Now we got 75. Now how many even numbers are there? 1. Now minus 1 from 75, 74. Now divided by 2. 37. Let's just recheck by adding 37 plus 37. Yes. So 37. Bravo. Is 753 a 4-digit number? If not, write the smallest 4-digit number using these digits. Also find both the numbers. Find the sum of both of the numbers. This is not a 4-digit number because 0 is at the first, so these digits matter, which is a 3-digit number. So because they're not a 3-digit number, let's just find out how many. So how many? Let's write the smallest 4-digit number. It is 3057 plus 753. You can just put the 0. Okay, let's recheck. Three hundred 3,810. Great. Find the difference in the place values of the two threes in the number 3,183. So we have to find the difference, that means minus or subtract of 3,000 minus 3. So 3,000 minus 3 is 2,997. Find the sum of all the even numbers between 61 and 82. So let's find out the even numbers and then just add all of the even numbers. Alright. The even numbers are 62, 64, 68, 70, 72, 74, 78, 80. Now between, so we don't need to count, we don't need to count 82. I mean 62, wait, we have to count 62. And we don't need to count 82. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. Wait, 2 plus 8 is 10, 2 plus 8 is 10. So 20, 20 plus 8, 28. 8, 2 goes up. Now 6, 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 2, 7, 4 times. Wait, let's check again. 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27, 27 plus 27 is 34, 34 plus 30. Alright. So
This is 60, 60. 60 plus 60?
no, 6 also.
6, 12, 18. So 180 plus 8 plus 10, 14. 14, which is equal to 294. Okay. Then these 70s. 7, 7 to 14, 7 to 21. So these three will make 210 plus 8, which is equal to 218. Okay, this is also there. Suppose this is 8 to 16, 160. ठीक है, minus 2, 158. So your answer is 294 plus 218 plus 158. 294
Plus
218.
280 plus 158. So let's do it. Always remember to recheck.
You forgot 66.
How should we do? 670 plus 66. Alright. If we forgot 66, let's add 670 which we got plus 66. Alright, the answer is 710. Awesome! The greatest odd number formed by the digits 8, 5 and 9 is... Okay. What is the rule for this input and output table? Multiply by 7. That's perfect. Sonia picked 21 flowers. She wanted to make 8 garlands having the same number of flowers. She should pick how many more flowers so that she does not have any flower left with her. In 8's table, the closest number to 21 is 24. So 21 minus 24, which is 3. The smallest 4-digit number by using the digits 3, 9 and 2 by repeating any one of the digits 2 times is 2239. Great answer. Alright, I hope you enjoyed.